Don't blame me if this video leaves you with a brain hemorrhage, because we're exploring the real theory of quantum consciousness. Strap in, motherfuckers. While you may think that our brains are like computers, they're not, because of this pesky fucker called consciousness. You see, for some reason, we're self-aware, we have subjective experience, and a fair few of us are pretty convinced we have free will as well. Now, if our brains were like normal computers, no matter how intelligent we are, they should not be able to simulate these specific functions. Now, Nobel laureate Sir Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff put forth this theory in the early 90s that suggests that maybe, just maybe, the incomputational part of our brain, our consciousness, might be simulated by the strange behaviors of quantum particles, which, quite simply put, are just particles smaller than atoms. You see, this shoe is a shoe, but if this shoe was anything like a quantum particle, it would actually be like all possible types of shoes all at the same time, and when we measured it, it would just randomly pick one of them. It's really weird, but what it sort of means is that quantum particles by nature are inherently unpredictable and incomputational. And this is exactly what the theory is going at. You know, maybe the incomputational part of quantum mechanics is responsible for the incomputational part of human consciousness. And it gets better, because we have found quantum effects to exist in the microtubules of our brain cells. And here's the even crazier part, is that anesthetic agents, the things that literally make you unconscious, bind to these microtubules and could be responsible for turning off human consciousness. I know it's a lot to take in, because we're essentially saying your brain is a quantum computer simulating its own consciousness. But don't worry, there's critics, and there definitely should be, because if you ask any quantum computer scientists about this, they would tell you that the brain would make the worst quantum computer. So it just leaves us in the dark then. What the f is consciousness?